Good morning, student of class 6. I am your Sonjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to discuss about the exercise question answer of chapter 4 agriculture. Okay, chapter number 4 agriculture. Here you can see the content of this chapter. I already have discussed all the 6 topics in my previous videos. Agriculture and the importance of agriculture, factor influencing the agriculture, types of agriculture, types of crops, agriculture development, the green revolution and agriculture in India. Okay, if you not see my videos, please watch my previous videos to better understanding the topic. Okay, here it comes to the question answer part. First is fill in the blanks. Okay, fill in the blanks. Number 1 fill in the blanks is crops. Dash crops are cultivated to improve the soil fertility. First number is cover crops. Cover crops are cultivated to improve the soil fertility. Next is dash farming. Farm producing dash crops are located near the cities and towns. Perishable crops are located near the cities and towns. Okay. Next is farming done on a small plot or land with high inputs of labor and capital is called subsistence farming. Okay, so number 3 is subsistence. Okay, next is dash crops are grown to be sold for profit. Cash crops are grown to be sold for profit. Next is dash and dash are largest producer of coffee in India. Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. These three states of India are largest producer of coffee in India. Okay. Next is green revolution include the highly yielding varieties of seeds. So these are the 6 fill in the blanks from the exercise. Okay, these are the 6 fill in the blanks from this exercise, from this chapter. Okay, next is टिक द सेंटेंस दैट आर ट्रू. टिक द सेंटेंस दैट आर ट्रू, दैट मीन्स टिक करना है जो सेंटेंस करेक्ट होगा. ओके, एंड करेक्ट द अदर्स. जो स्टेटमेंट्स, इफ द स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट देन वी करेक्ट द अदर्स. ओके, सो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज राइस, मिलेट्स एंड बार्ली वर some of the earliest crops to be cultivated. So this statement is correct. We need to tick the statement. Okay, here you can see the I write here true. Okay, you need to tick this true option. Next is shifting farming is practiced in arid region. So this statement is incorrect. Heavily forested region. Okay, shifting farming is practiced in heavily forested region. Next statement is incorrect. Okay, fertilizer and heavy machinery are commonly used in subsistence farming. Fertilizer and heavy machinery is minimal of subsistence farming cannot afford to buy these. Okay, that means जो farmers है they cannot afford this much of expenditure. Okay, that means वो afford नहीं कर सकते. Next is plantation farming result in quick profit. So quick profit is incorrect. Long time earn profit. Okay, plantation farming result in long time earn to profit. Next is tea and coffee are grown in hilly areas. So this statement is correct. So tea or coffees are grown in hilly areas. Next is the green revolution replaced many traditional agriculture practice. So this statement is also correct. Okay, so these are the question number B following this chapter. Next is multiple choice question. In our coming exam, the exam mainly based on these types of question. Okay, multiple choice question, MCQ. Like question number first is a factor does not influencing agriculture. Okay, here you can see the 4 option: climate, soil, ability of minerals and nature of terrain. Okay, so these are the 4 option. You need to choose a correct option from here. Okay, so the correct option is ability of minerals. Okay, a factor does not influence in the agriculture ability of minerals. Next is the percentage of worldwide depending on the agriculture. So here the option is a question option number A 70%, option number B 55%, option number C 87%, option number D 40%. So right option is 40%. Okay, 40% of people of the world depending on agriculture. Next is agriculture does not include sowing. Okay, here is the option plugging, processing and harvesting. All these are the include on the agriculture. Next is this is not a fodder crops. Barley, cotton is the mainly not a fodder crops. Okay, so these are the multiple choice question from this chapter, from the exercise. all of you need to find similar types of question from this chapter, okay. Like multiple choice question answer, okay. Next is, here are the question answer. What is agriculture? Explain the importance of agriculture. Here you can see the 3 points: source of livelihood, source of raw materials, and food security are the 3 points of importance of agriculture. I already have discussed in my first video, previous video of this chapter. Next is, what are the factors influencing the agriculture? Soil, climate, nature of terrain, distance from market, okay. So these are the 4 points which are factors influencing the agriculture. Next question is, what kind of farming is practiced in heavily forested region? Write a note describing the practice, okay. So shifting farming is practiced in heavily forested region. Here you can see a short note about this topic, shifting farming. Next is, write a short note on various types of agriculture. Here you can see there are 5 types of agriculture. All of you need to write some points on these farmings, okay. Different types of farming: shifting, substance, intensive, extensive, plantation, okay. Next is, difference between food crops, cash crops. I already have discussed about all these questions in my previous videos. So I request all of you that please watch my previous videos to understand this question answer and also the topic, okay. Next is, describe the condition required to grow any 3 important crops in the world, okay. Condition of growth: rice, wheat, and maize. Here you can see rice is best in hot wet climate, okay. Rice is grow in best in hot wet climate. Next is, wheat grows cold dry climate, and maize growth best fertile well drained soil needs a moderate climate, okay. So these are the condition to be growth of these 3 types of crops. Next is, what is agriculture development? Agriculture development means increasing agriculture production and ensuring the food security of a country, okay. So these are the main factors of agriculture development. Next is, what are the key features of green revolution? Mainly high yielding varieties of seeds, mechanism of agriculture practice, high use of chemical fertilizer, increase of pesticides, okay. So these are the mainly key features of this green revolution. Next is, merits of green revolution. There was a huge increase of agriculture output, increased efficiency of agriculture practice. So these are the mainly merits of green revolution. All of you need to read this very carefully, okay. Because the coming exam is mainly based on MCQ, okay. So all of you need to read the chapter very carefully, otherwise you won't answer this MCQ question in exam, okay. Here you can see the total number of question is 8. Broad question is 8, and the short question are, I already have discussed about this multiple choice question, tick mark and fill in the blanks, okay. So I hope that all of you download this PDF from the YouTube description box and write the question answer on your copy, and all of you should read the chapter very carefully, okay. Read the chapter very carefully to answer the MCQ question in the exam. So I am ending my discussion here. I will start a new chapter or revise the chapter in my next video. So till then, goodbye, thank you, and take care.